First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 3 on the topic number system, now we are going to learn one of the most important concept that is called as unit digit. So friends, listen here, if you are preparing for railway exams or your state competitive exams or else your campus interview, definitely one question will be asked from this section called unit digit. So find the unit digit of the given number or evaluate and find the unit digit of the final answer. So these are the questions are repeatedly asked in quantitative aptitude and very important for the number system topic. So first, before solving a question, right, what are all the things that we are going to learn in this lesson is, first we are going to learn the basics of this unit digit. Then I am going to teach you 3 model question, model 1, model 2, model 3, and then model number 1, 2, 3 I will be teaching you some of the shortcuts. So after learning all the 3 models, you can able to solve 100% of the question from the topic unit digit. You can solve any tough level question. This 3 models and the basics is more than enough to solve all the question on this unit digit model. So before that, first let me learn the basics, right? So what is called as an unit digit? So listen here, unit digit is whatever the number be, the last digit of the given number. Just listen carefully. For example, let me take any number 4951, right? 9441. If they ask what is the unit digit of this number is the last digit, understood? The last digit of the given number is called as an unit digit. Understood or not? So finally, the unit digit of the given number is 1. Understood or not? Any number, right? Let me take 94634 So in case if they are asking what is the unit digit of the given number, what you need to say? You need to say the last digit of the given number is 5. So we can say that for the given number, the unit digit will be 5. Always unit digit means the last digit of your final answer is called as the unit digit. Understood? So let me take some basic questions and we can learn the basics first. So here I have taken some example question, that is basic level question. So initially let me find the unit digit for all these basic numbers, right? So first question, 936 plus 972 plus 221. So our target is to find what is the unit digit of the final answer, right? So what is the unit digit actually? Just now I have told you, unit digit is the last digit of the any number. Just see here, you don't want to add the complete number and then you don't want to find the unit digit. It is better to add only the last digit of all the numbers. See, what is the last digit of 936 is 6. Understood? So last digit is 2. So last digit is 1. So 6 plus 2 will be 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. So we can say that any number, it can be any answer, but that answer last digit will be 9. So finally we can say that the unit digit of this final answer is 9. So friends, got it or not, right? In case if we need to find the unit digit of these numbers, then target only the last digit. Because we don't want to find the first, second digit or nothing. Our target is to find the last digit, that is called as unit digit. So it is better to add only the last digit alone. Understood? So last digit is 6, last digit is 2, here 1. So 6 plus 2 plus 1. So finally 6 plus 2 will be 8, 8 plus 1 will be 9. So finally answer for this question number 1 will be 9. Understood friends? So second question, 2369 plus 2434. So we need to find what is the unit digit of the number. What is the last digit here is 9. What is the last digit here is 4. So 9 plus 4 is what? 13. Just listen carefully. We got 2 digit, right? So 13. Again, whatever be the last digit of the final answer is what? 3. So finally we can say that the unit digit of these numbers will be 3. Friends, got it or not, right? So 9 plus 4 will be 13. So in that number 13, the last digit is 3. So finally we can say that the unit digit of the final answer will be 3. So let me move to the third question. So 93 into 46. See, here we have addition, so we have added. In case of multiplication, we have to multiply. That's it, right? So the last digit is 3. The last digit is 6. 6 into 3 will be is what? 18. Got it? So the last digit of the final answer is 8. So we can say that 8 will be the unit digit of question number 3. So question number 4. So 24, so here we have 4, 98, here we have 8, 236 is 6. Got it? So we have to multiply 4 into 8 into 6. So 8 into 4 is 32 into 6. So 6 into 2 will be 12. So the last digit will be 2. Friends, understood what I did? So 4, 8 and 6. So 4 into 8 is 32. Remaining we have 6. Again target the last number. So here 2, here 6. 6 into 2 will be 12. So we can able to see the last digit of the final answer is 2. So finally we can say that the unit digit of question number 4 is 2. Right? So next question. 1936 minus 243. Listen here. Here we have subtraction, right? So the last digit is 6. The last digit is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So finally we can say that the unit digit of question number 5 is 3. So question number 6. So the last digit of the given number is 4 and the last digit is 9. Most important, just listen here. So we have to subtract 4 minus 9. You should not write it as minus 5. That is wrong actually. Why? Because usually how will you subtract? Usual process. We can say 1934, right? We have to subtract with 239. How usually you will subtract in the exams? So here you have 4 and 9, right? So usually you will write it as 14, carry 1, yes or no? 14 minus 9 will be 5. This is the way we used to calculate. Similar process. So 4 minus 9 we have to subtract, cancel it. 14 times 14 minus 9 will be 5. So finally the unit digit of the final answer will be 5. So friends, understood? If it is 3 minus 9, what do you do? What do you have to do? 3 minus 9. So first you have to write it as 13, carry 1, got it? So and then 30 minus 9, you have to write the remaining answer. Understood? So question number 7. 7 cube. Just listen here, important question. 7 cube. So if you know the answer 343, that is okay. In case if you don't know what is the answer of 7 cube, what you need to do is write as 7 into 7 into 7. Got it? 7 into 7 is what? 49, right? So remaining that we have is 7. Multiply the last digit. 9 into 7 is 63. So finally the last digit is 3. So we can say that answer for this question, the unit digit of this number is 3. Everyone's understood or not, right? So question number 8. 7 power 4. Just see here, 7 power 4. How we can convert this 7 power 4? We can write this as 7 square into 7 square. Got it? Easiest way. What is 7 square? 7 square is what? 49. So 49 into 49. Got it? So now multiply the last digit. 9 into 9 will be 81. So we can say that the last digit will be 1. So we can say unit digit of 7 power 4 will be 1. Understood? So last question number 9. So question number 9 is what? 81 cube, right? So 81 cube can be written as 81 into 81 into 81. So last digit of all the number is 1. We have to multiply. So 1 into 1 into 1. So 1. So finally we can say that the last digit, that is unit digit of 81 cube will be 1. So friends, initially we have learned the basics. It is easy, right? So every time in case in the exams, if they ask to find the unit digit, you don't want to find the complete answer. It is better only to find the last digit of the answer, right? That is called as unit digit. So everywhere you can able to see we have found only the last digit. Understood? So only one important thing, don't make mistake here. Most of the students will write as 4 minus 9 as minus 5. That is wrong. Actually, how will you subtract? If the last number is 4 here, last number is 9, usually what we do in the exams, we will cancel it as 14, carry 1 and 14. So here already 2. So 14 minus 9 will be 5. So similar process I have done. 14 minus 9 will be 5. Understood? So now let me move on to all the models. Now you can able to understand the concepts. So let me move on to this model number 1. So in this model number 1, initially we are going to learn the unit digit for some important numbers. That is easy to remember. 0 power n. Example, if it is 0 power anything, for 0 power 99 or 0 power 23, anything power 0, right, is called as 0. Similarly, 1 power n is 1, 5 power n is 5, 6 power n is 6. So friends, got it or not? Just see, for example, let me take any numbers. 26 square, right? Let me take this number 26 square. So we have to find what is the unit digit for 26 square. It is easy to find for 26 square, yes or no? You can write this 26 as 26 into 26. Got it? So last digit is 6, last digit is 6. So 6 into 6 will be 36 and the last digit will be 6 here. So finally you can say that the unit digit of this 26 square is 6. But according to this logic, instead of finding all these stuff, right, we can directly say 6 power any number. It can be n. So just see 6 power any number where the unit digit will be 6. You don't want to find it. 6 power anything, the unit digit will be 6. And another important thing is in the exams, they won't ask you an easiest number. See, they won't ask you 26 square. They will ask you like 26 power 142 is equal to question mark. Finding is easy or not? No, it is very difficult. If you go with 26 into 26 into 26, it takes a lot of time, right? So that's the reason we are learning all these tricks to solve this question. Just see here, the last digit is 6 and the power is 142. Just now we have learned 6 power anything, right? 6 power n, any number, 6 power, the resultant last digit will be 6. So that's the reason we have learned in this model number 1. We are going to learn 1 power anything is 1, 5 power anything is 5, 6 power any number will be 6. So here I have written some example question. Just see here, 266 power 13. So what is the unit digit? So here you can able to see 266, the last digit is 6. 6 power anything, definitely the resultant answer will be 6. So plus, here the last digit is 5. 5 power anything will be 5. So finally, if you multiply all these numbers, the final digit will be 6. Similarly, if you multiply and find the final answer will be 5. So 6 plus 5 will be 11. So finally, we can say that the unit digit of the first question is 1. Friends, understood, right? So next, 2311 power 124 into 646 power 94. Just see here, the last digit of 2311 is 1. 1 power n, 1 power anything will be definitely 1. So the last digit of this answer is 1. Understood? So multiplication. So here the last digit is 6. 6 power anything will be definitely 6. So the last digit will be 6. So 1 into 6 will be 6. So finally we can say that the unit digit of this number will be 6. So this is the thing we have learnt in this model number 1. Model number 1, totally we have 4 numbers. 0 power anything is 0, 1 power anything is 1, 5 power any number is 5, 6 power any number is 6. So friends, understood. So this is model number 1. In this model number 1, we have learned for 4 numbers. So next model, so in this model number 2, we are going to learn for these 2 numbers, that is for 4 and 9. Just see here, 4 power odd number, right? 4 power odd. If it is 4 power 23, 4 power 25 or 4 power 33. So 4 power odd number, so the resultant unit digit is 4. Similarly, 4 power even number will be 6. So 9 power odd number will be 9, 9 power even number will be 1. So got it. So easy to remember, 4 power odd number will be 4, 9 power odd number will be 9. 4 power even number will be 6, 9 power even number will be 1. Understood? So let me take one example question. Just see here, 249 power 33, 254 power 36, 256 power 133. So we have to find what is the unit digit of the final answer. Just see here, the last digit 249 is what? 9. Right? So 9 power 33. 9 power 33 is odd or even 33? 33 will be odd number. So 9 power odd number, resultant unit digit will be 9. So plus 254 power 36. You can see last digit is 4 and the power is 36. So 4 power even number. 4 power even number, the last digit is 6. Plus 256 power 133. Just see here, the last digit is what? 6. Just now we have learnt in previous model, if a number that ends at 6, 6 power anything will be definitely 6. Understood or not? So last number is 6. This is the thing what we learnt in the previous model. So 9 and 4 we have learnt in this model number 2. So now we got the last digit of first number 9, last digit of second number 6, last digit of final number is 6. Now we need to add all the stuff. So 9 plus 6 will be 15. 15 plus 6 will be 21. So we can say that 21. So here the last digit is 1. So finally we can say that the answer for this question, the unit digit of this given question will be 1. So friends, understood, right? So in this model number 2, we have learned for two numbers, that is one for 4 and another for 9. That's already we have learned for 0, 1, 5 and 6. Now we have learned for 4 and 9. So finally we will be learning the remaining numbers in model number 3. So next will be model number 3. So model number 3, we are going to learn if the last digit that ends at 2, 3 or 7 and 8. So this model is a different case. You have to learn something newly. Just listen here. If model number 1, model number 2 is easy, right? We have a shortcuts. But in model number 3 alone, if you find the last digit, it is 2 or else 3 or else 7 or 8, what you need to do is, you need to divide the power by 4, a base number. Got it? This is most important. So always remember that if a number that ends at 2, 3, 7 or 8, you have to divide the power, right? Power of the given number by 4. Got it? This 4 is the base number. You have to divide by 4 and you have to find the remainder. Got it? Got the step or not? You need to divide by 4 and you need to find the remainder. Next step I will tell you what you have to do. Just see here, 212 power 79. Step number 1. Just see what is the last digit of this number. 212, last digit is 2. So now what you need to do is, just see the power. What is the power here? So power is 79. So 79, divide this 79 by 4. Got it? So 1 4s are 4. So 4 here. Remaining will be 3. 39. 9 4s are 36. Remainder is 3. Just listen carefully. What is the remainder here? Is 3. Just now I have told you, you have to divide the power by 4 and you need to find the remainder. So what is the remainder we got is 3. So put the remainder 3 here. Got it? So 2 power 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we can say that the unit digit of the number is 8. So friends, understood or not? Initially, first time if you are learning, understanding is little bit difficult, but after practicing this much of number, you can able to understand it. But remember the logic. First, what you need to do is, if you find the last digit of the given number is 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, what you need to do is, first write that number here. And then you have to divide the power by 4, any power. So whatever the power they have given, you have to divide by 4 and you have to find the remainder. So after finding the remainder, put the remainder to the power of the number what you have written here, and then that will be the unit digit of your answer. Understood or not? So let me move on to some other examples. You can able to understand it. So the second example is 73 power 54. Got it? So here what is the last digit? 3. So first write down the 3 here. Then what you have to do? You have to see the power. Power is what? 54. So divide this number 54 by 4. Always whatever number be, you have to divide by 4. That's the logic, right? If you divide by 4, 1 4s are 4. So 14. 4 3s are 12. So remainder is what? Remainder that we got is 2. So write 2 here. 3 square is 9. That's it. Got it? So unit digit will be 9. Next question. 378 41925 power 41925. Last digit of the given number is what? Write down 8 here. Another important thing. Just look at the numerator. Just look at the power, right? So power is 41925. You don't want to divide the complete 49215. It's waste of time. You just take only the last 2 digit of the number. What is the last 2 digit? Is 25. Divide only the last 2 digit of the number by 4. Right? So 6 4s are 24. What about the remainder here? Remainder is 1. So put the remainder here. 8 power 1 is 8. So we can say that the unit digit will be 8. So friends, understood or not? So already here I have we have two the powers that we have 2 numbers. So 2 numbers, but here alone you can able to see the power is 41925. You don't want to divide the complete all the digits by 4. It is better to divide only the last 2 digits. That is enough. Got it? So finally we got the remainder 1. Write down the remainder here. So 8 power 1 will be 8. In case if we got a remainder 0. Right? If we got a remainder 0, what you need to do is, you need to write down 4 and then you have to find the unit digit. Just look at this last number, number 4 alone. It's an exceptional case if it gets a remainder 0. So 214 power 2164, right? So first what you need to do, the last digit is 4. So write down 4 here. and 2164. You don't want to take all the 4 digits, just take only the last 2 digit. So 64 divide by 4. So 1 4s are 4. So remaining will be 24. 6 4s are 24. So what is the remainder that we got here? Is 0. You should not write down 0 here. You should write 4. You got it? Because we are dividing by 4, right? If we get a remainder 1, 2, 3, etc., put the numbers there. If you got a remainder 0, put number 4, because we are dividing by 4. So put number 4 here. So 4 power 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 for easy calculation. 4 4s are 16, right? 4 4s are 16. So 16 into 16. 6 into 6 will be 36. So 36, the last digit will be 6. So we can say that the unit digit will be 6. So friends, understood, right? So in this model number 3 is little bit tricky, but it is easy if you understand the concept. So what is the concept I have told you is, if the number that ends at 2, 3, 7 or 8, first step what you need to do, write down the numbers, right? If it ends at 2, write down here. If it ends at 3, write down here. Second step, you need to look at the powers. Always the power should be divided by 4, right? After dividing, find what is the remainder. If you got remainder 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever remainder, we put it in the numerator of the number what you wrote here already. So, and then find the unit digit. In case if you find the remainder 0, if you got the remainder as 0, you have to use 4 power 4. So you are divided by 4, right? So write down the 4 here, because you should not write 0 here. So write down 4 and then find the answer. Another important note is, don't divide, always don't divide the complete all the numbers. It is better to take only the last 2 digit number and divide by 4. You will get the answer. Got it? So now after learning this model number 1, 2, 3 and 4, now let me move on to some example question that was asked in previous competitive exams, so that you can able to understand the concepts completely. So finally we can go with some example questions here. So first question, 124 power 376 plus 124 power 375. So when just see here, always if we need to find the unit digit of these numbers, so every time while solving a number, check which number it is, which model it is. So number 4 here, model number 2. Number 2 if it is model number 3. Number 5 it is model number 1. So that it is easy to solve the question. Got it? So first question, 124 power 376. So the last digit is 4 here. So 4 in which model we have learned? Model 2. So 4 power 376. 4 power even number. If it is 4 power odd, it is 4. 4 power even will be 6. So 4 power even, so we can say that the unit digit will be 6 plus. So 4 power odd here, 375 is odd. So 4 power odd will be 4. So 6 plus 4 will be 10. So finally we can say that the unit digit is 0. So answer for first question where the unit digit is 0. Friends, understood? So question number 2. See, 25 power 627, 36 power 526, 73 power 54. So first look at the last digit of the number is 5. So number 5 we have learnt in which model? Model number 1. 5 power anything is 5, right? So 5 power 6527, not to worry about it. By seeing a number, don't decide it's difficult. So 5 power anything is 5. So we can say the unit digit is 5. So plus 6. Again, model number 1 we have learned this number 6. 6 power anything is again 6. Plus last is 3. So 3 we have learnt in the third model. So third model alone we have to divide the power by 4. So write down 3 here. What is the power here? 54. So divide 54 by 4. So 1 4s are 4. So remaining will be 114. 4 3s are 12. So what about the remainder here is 2. And here we have number 3. So write down 3 here. Remainder is 2. 3 square will be 9. So write down 9 here. Got it? So now we need to add it. 6 plus 5 will be 11. 11 plus 9 will be 20. So 20, the last digit is 0. So finally we can say that unit digit of this number will be 0. Understood? So question number 3. 7 power 295, 3 power 158, 341 power 476. So here 7. So 7 in which model we have learnt? Model number 3. So model number 3 we have to divide the power by 4. Got it? Just take only the last 2 digit. That is 95. So 95 by 4, 4 2s are 8, remaining 15. So 4 3s are 12, remainder will be 3. So got it. So 7 power remainder 3, that is 7 power 3 will be 343. So we can say that the last digit will be 3. So unit digit of the number is 3. Got it? So into, so 3 power 158. Again, this 3 we have learnt in model number 3. What you need to do? Similar process, take the last 2 digit, that is 58 divided by 4. So 1 4s are 4, 18, 4 4s are 16, remaining will be 2. So remainder is 2. Already we have number 3. So 3 power 2 will be 9. So we can write down 9 here into. So the last digit is 1. So 1 we have learnt in model number 1. 1 power anything is 1. So we can say unit digit is 1. So 3 into 9 into 1. 9 into 3 will be 27. 27 into 1 will be 27. So the last digit will be 7. So finally we can say that unit digit of question number 3 is 7. So last question. See, the question looks lengthy but solving is easy, right? Just see here. 1 power 98. 1 power anything is what? 1. So plus again 1 power 29. 1 power anything is what? 1. Minus of 6 power 100. 6 power any number will be 6. So plus 5 power any number will be 5. Minus of again 6 power any number will be 6. So the 259 power is nothing. So we can say the last digit will be 9. So add all the numbers here. So we can add 9, right? 9 plus 5 will be 14, 15 and 16. So total is 16 minus of minus 6 will be minus 12. So finally we can say that 16 minus 12 will be 4. So which is the unit digit of the number. So finally we got unit digit, that is 4. So friends, finally we have solved 4 example questions. So all these 4 questions were previously asked in many competitive exams. See, if you learn that model number 1, model number 2, model number 3, you can able to solve any question on this unit digit. But it requires some practice. This question is not enough. Just take your books, if you have any railway books or a search in Google, find unit digit. You can able to find many questions. All the questions, try to apply this model and try to solve it. Surely you will get the answer. So friends, got it. So that's it about this unit digit. So next lesson we can learn new concepts on this number system topic, because number system is the basics of quantitative aptitude, right? So that's the reason we are taking more number of time and more concepts to teach this number system. So friends, that's it about unit digit. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye.